Laravel 12 was released today and it comes with a refreshing, modern and awesome new website. Let's talk about it. So it's more of a maintenance focused update. Of course, it comes with improvements and it updates upstreams dependencies. And also, of course, it delivers magnificent starter kit. So we'll talk about it in a minute. Just before that, let's talk about the little things you must pay close attention to. There's minimal breaking changes. So let's say that you go to the same page and this V12 release is tagged, is officially committed, and of course it lists a lot of changes. You can have a look at this str is helper. Okay, and you can see that, for example, it now matches multi-line strings. So it's something you must pay attention if you want to upgrade to Laravel 12. Okay, but all in all, it should be really without any problem. So beside of that, what we can say, some products that we are waiting for. Nightwatch is still coming soon, but the cloud is online, so now you can directly subscribe to Laravel Cloud, and it is officially the fastest and the best way to deploy your application. So let's go. At the very time I'm recording this video, there's already more than 1,000 applications, I believe, that has been deployed through Laravel Cloud, and it's just awesome. So it's ship or die. Now let's talk about just little things, for example, the extension. So let's open Visual Studio Code, okay, and if I go to my extension list, the official Visual Studio Code extension, you see that now the logo has got rid of this beta because it's official stable version now, and it brings a lot of auto completion and it's very, very powerful. So kudos to the team for this hard work. But of course, my favorite thing about this update is the starter kit. So let's talk about it. First thing first, if you want to update your installer, you can go with Composer Global Require Laravel / installer, and it will automatically update your Laravel installer dependency. Now when you go with, let's move to this directory when I store my application, let's go with new Laravel, new my app, you will be asked about the starter kit. So if you know me well, you know that I love Vue, so let's go with Vue. And now we have two ways to provide authentication to your Laravel application. Either the official Laravel's built-in authentication, the one you know, but you will be able to add some more authentication way with the work OS. Okay, it requires a work OS account, and we'll be able to add some OAuth or magic link authentication. So we'll go with the official built-in authentication. So which testing framework do you prefer? And my way to go is always PEST. And now just wait for dependencies to be installed, and we'll be go to open it with Visual Studio Code. So let's say yes. So it's gonna install front-end dependencies with an npm install. Okay, and now I just have to switch to my directory and open this project here in my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now let's search for starter kit and let's click to Vue. Okay, so now the Vue starter kit is built with Inertia 2, Vue 3 Composition API, Tailwind, and Shad C and Vue. So this is awesome because either you use Vue or React, you will have access to those awesome component. Okay, if you use the Livewire flavor, then you will have access to some Flux component. For example, if you want to add a switch component, you can directly install it where there's command. So with the npx chassis and view latest add switch, if you want to install this component, to get the list of the component, you click on components and you grab any one you want. For example, the switch component is here. Okay, so if you would like to install it, you just have to use this one. Okay, and now you can import it and use it in your template. So the amazing thing about it is the visual. So let's just run an npm run dev. Let's open. Okay, this is an awesome, fresh and clean Laravel homepage. I really love it. If you click to register, you have a new beautiful form, okay? And the awesome thing about it is that if you go to, okay, you can change some layout, some variant sidebar, but you can also here go to the layouts of the layout. So let's go to resources, JS, layouts of, and you have here 3 different layouts for your auth. So if you go to the auth layout here, you can switch. So you have here the auth simple. Okay, let's switch to the auth card. Okay, so it's basically a card form. But my favorite one is the auth split layout here, and it's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so let's register, create an account, and now we have a new fresh design. It's really awesome. Talking about the nav bar, just here you can grab here in the app layout some different designs. So you have this app sidebar layout, which places this nav bar into the next to the left side of your application. But if you use the app header layout, you have a more basic here navbar. Really cool. And you also have different variant sidebars. So let's go to the component app sidebar. And here you have variant which is set to inset. So we can switch to sidebar, for example, and you can see that it's slightly a different theme. Or you also have the floating. Okay, so it's customizable components, which is really cool. This plus the customization through shared CN components and all the stuff that Laravel provides makes it a very awesome solution. So this is it for the new update. I'm really proud of the Laravel core team. They are just awesome. So I'm very proud to be a part of this community. So share, build, ship or die. See you next time.